All right, welcome back everyone. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you guys another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a few different things regarding Vechain. Also going to be giving you my thoughts on Bitcoin, as well as taking a look at some of the charts here for some specific altcoins, namely Ethereum and Chainlink. So if you guys are interested in that type of content, be sure to stick around and smash that like button for me. All right, you guys, I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you all are having a great day wherever you are. I wanted to give you guys an update. I know it's been a few days since I posted a video. So to start things off, let's take a look here. I'm taking a look at an article that I found on the Vechain social thread. And this is a document talking about the future of freight managing. Now, this is kind of like an all-encompassing document, and blockchain is just one of the topics mentioned in this document. So I just wanted to read aloud and kind of give you some ideas about what these people who are actually in the business of logistics and global supply chain and whatnot, what their thoughts are related to Vechain and blockchain technology. So to start things off here, this right here is kind of where I found some interest. Cost efficiency rather than congestion improvements could make improvements in turnaround times and therefore resulting in a reduction in the time to access to delivery points. Blockchain will make it easier to operate complex supply chains and transport arrangements, for example, load sharing or intermodal transport. As such, it can be a key enabler to more efficient supply chains, which could reduce congestion through improving payloads. So, evidence of effectiveness. For supply chains, the benefit of a widely distributed database containing incorruptible records is a considerable streamlining of the supply chain, resulting in considerable cost savings. Industry analysts see blockchain as a future essential technology and suggest that by 2043, the fundamental drivers behind value creation will be data and analytics, with companies that are able to utilize blockchain technology being able to outcompete their rivals. All right, and we can see here, these are some of the key names that are mentioned. Vechain right here. Vechain is mentioned, IBM, a whole bunch of these big names. You guys know that there's partnerships with Walmart China. They've got partnerships with BMW, DNVGL, all these big names that are based in Asia mainly. So that is going to be very exciting for the future of blockchain and Vechain specifically. Now, guys, this right here is saying 2043. So that's just to put things into perspective for you, how early we are in the game. I mean, we're 2020, so we're going to start a new decade next year, and that's around the corner. But, being involved in a project this early and seeing the fruits of the team's effort and the community, it's really amazing to witness that. Next thing I have for you guys, this is actually a tweet. This is a little video tidbit put together by BMW and DHL, and they're explaining the proof of concept behind blockchain and how it is going to become an effective way in terms of better managing supply chain. So let's take a look at that. I've got this video posted. This is going to be on Twitter, so if you guys want to check it out, it's going to be there for you. But let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Welcome to Tech Office Singapore.
It is no secret that the Asia-Pacific region is at the forefront of digitalization globally. Singapore is a technology hotspot and is a perfect testbed for new mobility services for three reasons. First, it is recognized as a startup hub. Second, it is ranked #1 in Asia for digital infrastructure, connectivity, and digital expertise. Finally, there is strong government backing for Singapore to have a leading future mobility ecosystem. All of this makes Singapore a very attractive location for startups, investors, and corporates.
In Singapore, we evaluate a wide range of technologies, with blockchain being our biggest focus. Because of the innovation ecosystem in Singapore, we collaborated with DHL to work on a proof of concept where we identified, tested, piloted, and evaluated the use of blockchain technology in the area of supply chain management. By establishing a private blockchain platform, BMW Group Asia and DHL can share key data with restricted access. This POC has proven 3 points. 1, it radically reduces manual reporting. 2, it enables stakeholders to quickly resolve problems, and it improves the transparency along the supply chain. After the successful cooperation with DHL and requests from our business units, we're extending the platform to include other partners.
Nice. All right. So guys, what do you think? Very exciting things coming from Vechain. You guys know that Vechain is actually based in Singapore. So it's very cool to see the amount of innovation that's coming from the project. That's pretty much what I have for you guys regarding Vechain. I would definitely love your guys' thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about the content. If you do have comments and suggestions for future videos, let me know down in the comment section below. Now, to move on, I wanted to give you guys just my thoughts on where we are with the current state of the market, taking a look a little bit at some of the charts here. First off, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, and then we're going to be looking at some of the top altcoin plays, so Ethereum and Chainlink. So to start things off with the TA, I've got Bitcoin pulled up here on the daily. What we can see here most notably is that we were able to come up here to this Fibonacci level. I think this is a 0.5, yep, 0.5 Fibonacci right here. And the most immediate resistance from that level was that 200-day moving average. And what you guys can see from the chart here is that we actually wicked above the 200-day, but the bears are still in full control, and we were rejected very heavily off of that. So right now, I would think what we're trying to form is a higher low. If we can close at this level, we will have formed a higher low. But yeah, this 200-day moving average, that's the key resistance for us right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. All right, so guys, with Ethereum, it's what I've got drawn here on the chart. This is at the daily time frame. I've kind of found a falling wedge pattern taking place. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. But what we can see here, you got lower highs and you got some lower lows forming, and it's forming a falling wedge pattern. But from what we saw here, getting rejected, Bitcoin getting rejected at that 200-day, we were actually able to come up to this resistance, and almost like clockwork, we were rejected. So where we're at right now, we are currently being supported by this upward sloping trend line at this 180 level. So that's where we're at currently. Where we're going to see now is if we can close and bounce back to come up and try and test this upward resistance again, or if we're going to close below and potentially come down past this $180 level. So we're going to keep an eye on Ethereum, and the last one I have for you guys here is going to be Chainlink. And guys, this is all going to be looking at the USD comparative. Chainlink is actually one of my favorite plays at the moment. A lot of interesting things going on here with Chainlink. What we saw, I'm actually going to zoom in here to the 4-hour. This one is actually moving fairly quickly. I think the 4-hour time frame is a little bit more reliable. But what we can see here, I've got the Fibonacci drawn up here. And, from the swing high to the swing low, we came up to this 0.382, and we came back down to this previous resistance, turn support. This was right around the $2.51. Of course, we wicked down to that, so there was definitely a lot of buy pressure right here, and we have since been able to make a pretty strong move upwards, coming back up again to challenge this 0.382 Fibonacci. Now, guys, my thoughts on Chainlink. This is very bullish in my opinion. This chart looks incredibly momentous for the bulls. Where we're going to see the most resistance, I think, coming up is going to be around about this $3 level, $3.15. That's going to be the next level I'm keeping an eye on. That's around the 0.5 fib level. And then I think once we cross that point, it's going to be, it's going to be almost a straight shot. There's not a whole lot of resistance left past that up until about this $4 range. So Chainlink is definitely on my radar. I'm going to keep you guys posted. If you guys do enjoy a little bit of the fundamental analysis with the technical analysis mixed in, let me know down in the comment section. I'm just trying different things for you guys, experimenting. I want to bring you guys the best content that you guys enjoy. So let me know down in the comment section below. And again, if you did find some value, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I post cryptocurrency content like this, and I want to give you guys a lot of value. So that's what I intend to do with this channel. I will keep you guys posted. That is it for this video. All right, you guys, until next time, take care.